Okay, this is our last day here at American Can RV Park on 95, coming into Quartzsite. We're about 3 or 4 blocks up from the main street at Quartzsite, and over that hill down there is the main tent and where all the swap meets are and stuff like that. Like I said, it's the American Can Trails RV Park. They've got great Wi-Fi, you know, but there's just so many people here, it's going to start slowing down about now, about time for the big show. But we can still get on there and check our email and that sort of stuff, so it's doing a pretty good job. It's a nice park. They are, you know, it's a typical Quartzsite. You got the gravel, not much dust though, really. It's pretty packed now because of the big show down there. And we'll show you something special over here, this trailer. I think you'll recognize it if you watch any kind of RV shows or anything. It came in the other day. Now when we got here, we had reservations for January 20th, and we got here on the 3rd, and they were very accommodating getting us in for, you know, a week there. And then we went ahead and decided we'd really like to stay here a month, so they moved things around without moving us, and we're very accommodating, and we've been here almost a month. Now we're leaving tomorrow. We're heading up to Laughlin for a week, and that ought to be interesting. But check this thing out. I'm sure you've seen this if you've watched any of the RV shows on TV. This older couple built. This is the second one they built. The first one was destroyed by a semi that just totally hit them and destroyed it. But this is so cool. I thought you all like to see this. Isn't that slick? It's all wood. It's on a heavy duty 5th wheel frame. It's just really cool. Anyway, they came in the other day, but about this park, we're definitely going to be coming back here next year. We're going to get some friends that come with us, and we're going to enjoy our stay here. So this is the office right here. Can't say too much about how nice everybody is. On Tuesdays they have what they call walk-up tacos, which is great. Oh, you always want 2 of them, but don't eat more than 1. They're plenty. So we'll get back to you here, tell you a little bit more about Quartzsite in a minute. Okay guys, now that we've kind of taken a walk through the RV park and showed you around and told you how much we like it, and we're going to be coming back, I thought I'd give you a little insight to Quartzsite. We spent almost a month down here. We really like Quartzsite. It gets awful crowded starting around the 20th. That's when the big RV tent opens up. Before that, there's just a lot of swap meets and stuff around here, and actually there's more RV stuff at all the swap meets that surround the big tent than are in the big tent. Probably 98%, and I've said it before, 98% of the stuff in the big tent has nothing to do with RVs. It's jewelry and all that other stuff. But it gets really crowded. The Wi-Fi starts to go down. Just getting around town is just awful crowded. If you've never come here for that big tent, I suggest you come. You got to come once. It's like almost like turning the Wayback Machine into 1967. So kind of fun, kind of quirky. A lot to see around Quartzsite. There's a lot within 150, 200 miles of Quartzsite to see. We've enjoyed being here. We're going to be coming back next year. We'll probably be here during the big show just because we'll be coming back with some friends that have never been here and we need to show them. But it's a good base to go to, into California, go see Joshua Tree National Park, go down to Yuma. Yuma's about an hour and 30 minutes from here. And Los Algodones, where everybody goes to get their glasses fixed and their prescriptions and their dental work. It's probably about an hour and 45 from here. It's a little far to go for a day, so I suggest maybe going to Yuma for a couple days, and you can dry camp in back of the casino that's right down the road from there. So we didn't get a chance to go. We just had too much going on, and we were just going to go to look around anyway. So we'll probably go next year with our friends when they get here. So just an oversight of Quartzsite. Be prepared. It's going to be busy. It's going to be dusty. If the wind blows, it's not fun. It rained a little bit while here, which was great. It kept the dust down for a couple of days. but everything is dirty. We can't wait to get up to Laughlin and get the RV and Mr. Bob cleaned up and straightened out. It was a great time. We enjoyed the park. We enjoyed the people. They're very nice here. The permanent residents are real nice. They have little things on Saturday and Sunday, and they have walk-up tacos on Tuesday, which we talked about. Great place. So I would suggest if you're going to come here, any of the parks around here on 95 are a lot easier to get into than they used to be because, well, it's not quite as crowded as it was in the past. They were only thinking maybe about 400,000 people here this year, where in the past they had like 1 million. That was quite a few years ago, though. So if you're thinking about coming to Quartzsite, don't let me stop you. Come on in. We enjoyed it, and we'll be back next year. It's just be prepared for traffic around the week of the 20th when the big show's on, and be prepared to go places slow and enjoy yourself. A lot of good people here. We had a great time. So we're getting ready tomorrow morning to take off to Laughlin. Down the road we go. Take care, guys.